This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Dorchester County Tourism.
Well, if you were not sure or you were unaware, maybe you've never been to Cambridge, then you are not aware of the rich maritime history that lies here. And that is where Tides and Traditions comes in, a beautiful way to keep history and culture alive. And that is why we're hanging out with Captain Brandon Wingate here. And we stand in front of the Lois Ann. And this is a really significant boat. Tell me a little bit about it and its history. I understand you've got a pretty personal connection to this as well.
Yeah, so this boat was originally built in 1973 by Maynard Lowry in Tillman Island. The boat was built originally for Richard and Lois Ann Lednam. They were the only previous owners of the boat. They worked the boat until Richard died.
Now, I also understand, this was a husband and wife team, and I think women get overlooked a lot, especially in maritime history. Talk to me about her role and sort of her significance with this boat as well.
Yeah, so Miss Lois Ann worked the water with her husband.
Not just the namesake.
Yeah, every day she was with her husband on the boat, and hence why the name's staying Lois Ann. Yeah, it's not a whole lot that you see that, but every day she was grinding away. She's been written up in a couple different articles, some pretty cool stuff.
It's really special.
We bought the boat and completely restored it, stripped it down to nothing.
Yeah.
The whole boat's been fiberglass, brand new engine, brand new everything.
So she's running well.
It's running well.
But I think that's something that maybe people aren't aware of or don't understand, that this isn't a replica, this is the real thing.
This is a working boat.
So for folks who may not be sure, how significant is the role of, crabbing and sort of the fisherman's history here along the Choptank?
I mean, this area pretty much is completely rooted in the watermen. That's kind of the way of life for this whole area. There was, a long time way back, there was some industry and everything that kind of died out, and for the most part, the main industry now is the water.
Yeah, so for folks who are looking to, maybe do something a little bit different, they come out here for Tides and Traditions, what sort of experience will people get when they, board the Lois Ann and go on an adventure with you guys?
Yeah, so we're just trying to run a kind of all-inclusive trip that gives you the full experience of being on the water here and on the Eastern Shore. We try to make it as easy as possible. You show up with just you.
Perfect.
And we provide everything. You can crab, you can just get on the boat. If you don't want to crab, you can just come on the boat for a cruise, see the sunset, drinks, food, everything's taken care of. Eating crabs on the boat, whatever you want to do to experience kind of the way of life here.
It really doesn't get better than that, does it? It's just eat crabs out on the boat, enjoy the sunset. I mean, those are all things that I think really do make areas like this so magical at the end of the day, really.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you have a favorite part of doing this job? Have you seen certain responses maybe from folks that have come out for Tides and Traditions, and maybe you see them walk away with something special?
Yeah. Not everybody gets to experience this, and most of our clientele is not really from the area, or they're visiting and they've eaten crabs, they've never seen where they come from, or they've been on a boat but maybe they haven't quite seen it the way we're doing it in this area, and to see a sunset from the boat, to just experience being on the water here. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of positive feedback.
Yes, good. Well, I'm so glad. And I think too, if you're new to our area, maybe you've moved down towards the water, and maybe you haven't experienced these things for yourself. It's easy, I think, for us to kind of take an experience like this for granted, and not realize just how truly special, not just the experience, but I think the historical ties and roots to the culture that is in this area as well.
100%.
Well, you did mention that tour and that experience, and we are going to hop on the Lois Ann and check out all that she has to offer when we get back.
This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Dorchester County Tourism.
Well, before the break, we were hanging out talking about the Lois Ann. It's a incredible boat with quite a bit of a rich history, and a lot of that history took place right here on the Choptank River in Cambridge. And you may notice that is the body of water on which we remain, and I'm hanging out with Captain Tony with Tides and Traditions. And you know, not only were we talking about the history of the boat, but sort of the culture and the history of this area, so much of it taking place on the water. Why is it important to you guys with Tides and Traditions to keep a lot of that culture and lifestyle alive and share it with folks who may be visiting, especially from out of town?
I think that's why we chose the name we chose. Yeah. Because the traditions of the water are so rooted in this area. I mean, people use the water to travel before they had roads and cars, and the fishing and the rich history, the bounty of the bay, and it's something we want to share. It's very important to us. We all are not happy unless we're on a boat doing something, and we want to share that with people.
Yes.
And it's just a really good thing to do, and we love it, and we want to share that.
I mean, I'll be honest, I'm pretty sure the entire time we've been out here, I don't think the smile has left my face. It's been a gorgeous day, it's been a gorgeous time, and when folks do come out here and book an experience with you guys, you've got several experiences that you offer.
We do. We have crabbing charters where they can go out, they can catch a bushel of crabs, see how it's done.
Fun.
We have the availability to eat crabs on the boat.
Nice.
We can teach you how to pick them.
I think another thing that's really advantageous for folks that book with you guys, it's a small group that you bring out. It's a little bit more intimate. I think, talk to me, how many folks do you have on board?
Typically 6.
Yeah.
That is our maximum number allowed on here by the Coast Guard. It's 6 passengers. The crew is obviously extra. Mm-hmm. We've done trips for 2 people.
Nice.
You know, just a little intimate
Little
thing.
getaway.
We try to stay out of the way. And everything's fully customizable. We can do what you want to do. Captain Steve started off with the idea, no boat, no problems. So that's what we try to do.
Love that.
You don't have a boat, we do, it's no problem.
That's where these guys come in. And it's going to be those kinds of really special memories people can take with them. Now coming up this year, 4th of July, America 250. It's a really big year for us. Might as well do a really big celebration. And I know for the 4th, things are booked up out here. But on the 5th, you guys have been doing this experience, stars, stripes, and shorelines. I understand it's going to be quite a feast out here on the water.
We're going to have a whole Eastern Shore crab feast.
Love it.
On the boat. We're going to have your beverages of choice available, and we will be taking you to the fireworks. We'll see the fireworks. We'll ride around beforehand, and we will deliver you back to the dock safe and sound. And we'll worry about all the hassle, and all you have to do is come enjoy.
They'll take care of all of that part, the headache, none of it is on you, and it's going to be a fantastic time. And like you said, the Eastern Shore feast, that includes crabs, chicken, I understand, the fixins, everything going with it.
Yes.
So people are ready to book, and I would suggest doing so quickly, and they want to make all those really special memories out here on the water. Where should they go for more information and or to book tickets?
They can go to our website, tides/traditions.com.
Perfect. Well, Captain Tony, and for the rest of the crew, thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you.
Of course. Don't go anywhere, though. We've got more fun coming at you, so sit tight.